Unlock the power of iPhone with ease. This video demystifies the data migration process from Android to iPhone, showing you how to transfer everything you need, including apps, settings, and even your favorite music. Get ready to enjoy a seamless experience on your new device. But if you've just switched from Android, you've probably asked, will I lose my photos, my chats, my saved passwords? The fear of losing important data makes switching feel overwhelming. Today, I'll walk you through every step to safely transfer your contacts, photos, apps, messages, and more without stress. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now. Before you move anything, preparation is key. First, update both your Android and iPhone to the latest OS version. Make sure your Android device is running Android 6 or later, and your iPhone is on iOS 16 or newer. Next, plug both phones into power and connect them to strong Wi-Fi. Your iPhone must be either factory reset or brand new, because the migration only works during the initial setup process. If you've already started using the iPhone, you'll need to erase it to restart the transfer. Also, install the Move to iOS app on your Android from the Play Store. This is Apple's official tool to migrate your data securely. Once you're ready, turn on your iPhone, and during the setup process, choose Move Data from Android. Now open the Move to iOS app on your Android, accept the terms, and enter the 6-digit code displayed on your iPhone. Once connected, you'll see options to transfer contacts, message history, photos, videos, web bookmarks, and even calendar events. Tap what you want to move, but be patient. The process can take 10 minutes or more, depending on your data size. After it's done, tap Continue Setting Up iPhone. What doesn't transfer? Apps, music, WhatsApp chats, and saved passwords. But don't worry, I'll show you how to handle those next. For WhatsApp, you'll need to follow a slightly different path. Open WhatsApp on Android, go to Settings Accord. Chats. Move chats to iOS. Make sure both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi and use the same phone number on your iPhone. During setup, WhatsApp will guide you to move your chat history, including photos, videos, and voice notes. Once complete, download WhatsApp from the App Store and log in. You'll see all your old messages restored. If this option doesn't appear, ensure your WhatsApp is fully updated on Android and your iPhone is still in the setup process. Apps don't transfer automatically, but the iPhone will suggest downloading any available iOS versions of your Android apps, especially popular ones like Instagram, Spotify, or Google Maps. Unfortunately, app data like game progress usually doesn't move unless it's cloud synced. As for passwords, use a password manager like Bitwarden or LastPass to export and store your login info safely before switching. For music, if you were using Spotify or YouTube Music, just log in. But for offline MP3s, you can sync files to iCloud or upload them via Apple Music on desktop. It's a few extra steps, but totally worth it for a smooth transition. Not starting with a brand new iPhone? No worries. Let's talk about a second method that doesn't require you to reset your iPhone, iTransGo. This tool lets you transfer data directly from Android to an already set up iPhone, and it's perfect if you've already started using your new device. Here's how it works. First, install iTransGo on your computer. Connect both phones via USB and trust the devices. Then choose the types of data you want to transfer. Contacts, photos, music, messages, even videos. It's fast, secure, and doesn't overwrite existing data. Just note that iTransGo is a premium app, but it offers a free trial so you can test it out before committing. This method is ideal if you're halfway through your iPhone setup and don't want to lose your current files. Migrating from Android to iPhone doesn't have to be scary. With the right tools, like Move to iOS, Bitwarden, and a little patience, you can switch platforms without losing a single photo, chat, or contact. Your iPhone is now set up, safe, and ready to use. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone switching to iPhone. Drop your questions in the comments and I'll reply as soon as I can. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Hit that red button and turn on notifications. More smart tech guides are coming your way.